All right, so we want to install the anchor, the concrete anchor to a depth so that when the assembly is together, the bolt does not protrude past the nut too much. Then we have a clearance of about 1/4 of an inch past the nut. So after the concrete anchor is installed, floor mount goes on, the pressure plates next, washer, and your nut. Then you want to really torque it down as much as possible. I usually tap it with that to make sure that it's properly secure. Now you bring your railing sections, slide your pins in place. If the pins are a little bit snug, you can always tap them with a rubber mallet. Okay, and then we're gonna snap the cap in place. This is the tricky part. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to snap the cap in place. So a trick we can use is use a C-clamp. These are just a couple of pieces of Delrin or plastic just to protect the finish. So we're gonna use a C-clamp to close the floor mount a little bit. Alright, so after you have used the C-clamp to close the floor mount a little bit, you bring in your cap, put it in place. Usually a piece of wood and the rubber mallet should be enough to snap it in place. Just give it a good dead blow. That should be enough to mount the cap. Remove your C-clamp and your assembly should be complete. If for some reason you need to remove the cap, the trick we use is usually a screwdriver. You need a leverage point, and usually a good dead hit will pop the cap.